So today we are going to discuss about some problems on high frequency transistor circuits. Myself K. Venkatramana from BVCEC. These are some formulas regarding the hybrid H parameter model. So here we are having some different formulas. Here Gm is nothing but what transconductance. Gm is equals to Ic by Vt. Here Ic is the collector current and Vt is the thermal voltage, and Rb dash is equals to Hfe by Gm, and all of you Rbb dash is nothing but Hie minus Rb dash E, and Rb dash is equals to Rb dash E by HRE, and all of you the output conductance DC is the reciprocal of 1 by RCE and is also equals to H naught E minus GB dash C into HFE. So these are the different formulas which we are going to use in formulas, and these are the formulas we will use for different calculations of these resistance values, transconductance values, and current and thermal voltage values. So this is the problem he has given. So here if we go through the problem, he has given a BJT amplifier has the following values, and temperature 300 Kelvin, and the operating current IC is equals to 2 milliamperes, and RBB dash 100 ohm, RB dash 1000 ohm, RB dash 2 mega ohm, RC 80 kilo ohm, CB dash 200 picofarads, CB dash 3 picofarads, and FT is 500 megahertz, and he has asked to find the H parameter, and he has also given the capital K, which is a Boltzmann constant, and he has mentioned that the charge of the electron will be 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So what he has asked is he has to find the all the H parameter values. So put solution. So we know that the formula for GM is GM equals to IC by Vt, and all of you we know that Vt equals to Kt by Q. So here K is nothing but what Boltzmann constant. He has also given 1.3 into 10 power minus 23, and temperature also has mentioned 300 Kelvin, and the value of Q is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So the value of T will be 25.89 into 10 power minus 3. So if we substitute the value, then GM is equal, so IC has already given, IC equals to 2 milliamperes, 2 into 10 power minus 3 by Vt. So 25 into 89 into 10 power minus 3. So if you calculate this one, the value will be 77.238 into 10 power. So this is the value of GM, and we know that HFE can be written as RB dash E into GM. So this value has already mentioned in the previous table of formulas. So he has given RB dash E as 1000 ohms, and GM we have just now calculated 77.238 into 10 power minus 3. So HFE is going to be 77.2. So this is the value of HFE, and we know that HIE can be written as RBB dash plus RB dash E. So these values also he has given. So 100 plus 1000, so which is equals to 1.1 kilo ohm. So this is the value of HIE, and also we know that HRE can be represented as RB dash E by RB dash C, so which is equals to 1000 by 2 mega. So the value is 5 into 10 power minus 4, and finally we know that H naught E can be represented as GC plus 1 plus HFE into GB dash E. So all of you we know that 1 by GC is nothing but what RCE, and we have already calculated the value of HIE, and GB dash E is nothing but what? RB dash 1 by R 1 by RB dash C. So here 1 by RCE, so which is equals to 1 by ATK plus 1 plus HF is nothing but 1 plus 77.28 by RB dash C has always here given 1 by, if you solve this one, the value of H naught E will be 59.619 into 10 power minus 6. So this is the answer. So in the problem he has given that HFE is equals to 50 and H naught equals to 24 microampere per volt, and he has asked to find the transconductance GB dash E, and also has mentioned that IC 1.3 milliamps at room temperature. So coming to the solution, so he has already given HFE, H naught and 1.3 values at room temperature. So we know that so the formula for GM is IC by VT. So he has mentioned VT at room temperature, so VT by 11,600. So he has given T is equals to he has given T equals to room temperature. So the value of GM will be, so GM which is equals to, so IC by VT, if we substitute IC value, so IC equals to 11,600 by T. So he has given IC equals to 1.3 into 10 power minus 3 into 11,600 by temperature value will be 300. So the value of GM will be, so if you solve this one, the value of GM will be 0.05 mhos. So this is nothing but what? Mho. So and next one here asked to find GB dash E, and we know that GB dash E which is equals to GM by HFE. This is the formula. So we have already calculated 0.05 by HFE is nothing but what? 50. So the value will be 10 power minus 3 mhos. So these are the values we have to. So if we go through the question, he has given the following low frequency parameters are available for a transistor at ICQ equals, so has given ICQ 5 milliamperes, HI input impedance, HFE, H naught E, HRE and COB and cutoff frequency. So what he is asking to find the hybrid pi parameters at room temperature. He has mentioned that room temperature, generally room temperature is nothing but what? 300 Kelvin. So we know that he has given at room temperature which is nothing but 300 Kelvin, and we know that the formula for conductance is GM is equals to IC by VT. So generally at 300 Kelvin, so at 300 Kelvin implies at VT should be equals to 26 millivolts. So then the value of GM will be, so IC should be equals to 5 milli and VT will be equals to 26 milli. If you solve this one, the value will be equals to 0.1923 ampere per volt. So this is the value of GM. And next one we have to calculate the value of what? RB dash E. So RB dash E formula is HFE by GM. He has also given HFE value is 100, and just now we have calculated the value of GM will be 190. So this is the value of what? RB dash E. So units are ohms, and we know that RB, and we know that RBB dash which is equals to HIE minus RB dash. HIE has already given in the given the problem. So HIE is nothing but what? 1000 minus 520. So the value of RBB dash will be input impedance ohms. And next one, RB dash C, which is equals to RB dash C by HRE, so which is equals to 520 by 1 into 10 power minus 4, so which is equals to 5.2 mega ohms. And here we have to calculate CB dash E. CB dash E formula is, so this is also called as CE, so which is equals to GM by 2 pi FT. So GM value we have already calculated, that is 0.1923. 2 pi FT has already given in the question 10 power 6. If you solve this, so the value of this one will be 3.06 nano farads. And we know that CB dash C, which is also equals to COB, so which is equals to 2 picofarad. So these are the values of the hybrid pi circuit. So if you go through the problem, he has given IC is equals to 1 milliamperes and VC is equals to 10 volts, and he has also mentioned that CC, which is also equals CB dash equals to 3 picofarads, and HF is equals to 200, and omega t is equal to minus 500 mega radians per second. And he has asked to find the value of GM, RB dash E, and what omega beta, and also CB dash E. So first one, we know that the formula for GM is, we know that GM is equals to IC by VT. So consider at room temperature. So consider at room temperature. So 1 into 10 power minus 3 equals to 26 into 10 power minus 3. So which is equals to 38.46 milliampere per volt. And next one, RB dash E. So we know that RB dash E equals to HFE by GM. So we have the value of HFE as given 200, GM just now only we have calculated 38.46 into 10 power minus 3. So the value will be 5.20 kilo ohms. And next one, we know that the formula for GM is CE plus CC, which is equals to GM by 2 pi FT. So here we can write like this, GM by omega t. So we have calculated GM as 38.46 into 10 power minus 3 by omega t has given 500 mega means 10 power 6. So the value of this one will be CE plus CC equals to 76.92 picofarads. And in the question itself he has mentioned that CC value is 3 picofarads, and we know that CE is equals to CB dash E, has given in the problem. So CB dash E, which is also equal to CE, so which is equals to 79.92 picofarads minus CC, so which is equals to 79.92 picofarads minus 3 picofarads. So the answer is 73.92 picofarads. So this is the value of CB dash E. Next one, so we know that HFE is equals to FT by F beta. So implies we can write like this. So HFE is equals to omega t by omega beta. That means we have to multiply and divide with 2 pi. So yes, we have to find what omega t. So omega t equals to HFE into omega beta. So HFE he has given us 200. So if you solve this one, the omega beta will be 2.5 mega radians per second. So this is the value of omega beta. So in the question he has given that he has given one circuit So what he is asking is the hybrid pi parameters of the transistor within the circuit of the given below will be. So he has given some values of the circuit. That values are GM will be 50 milliampere per volt, RB dash 1 kilo ohm, RB dash 4 ohm, RCE, CC, CE and RB dash. So what is asking is we have to find the upper 3 dB frequency of current gain, and next one the magnitude of voltage gain at the frequency which we have calculated in the part A, and this is the circuit he has given. So here RL should be equals to 1 kilo ohm and RS is equals to 100 ohms. So here coming to the solution part of this circuit, the formula for 3 dB frequency of the circuit is Fh equals to 1 by R equivalent into C equivalent. If we go through the high frequency pi model of the transistor, here this RS will be in series with RBB dash and which is in parallel with RB dash. So from that circuit this R equivalent will be equals to RS plus RBB dash in parallel with RB dash, then 100 plus 100 which is parallel to 1000. So if we calculate this one, we will get the value of R equivalent. Therefore the R equivalent will be 200 into 1000 by 1200, so which is equals to 160.67 ohms. And we know that C equivalent, which is also CB dash E plus 1 plus GM into RL into CB dash C. So this is the formula for C equivalent. So CB dash E has given 100 into 10 power minus 12 plus 1 plus GM also he has given. GM value is 50 into 10 power minus 3 and RL has given 1 kilo ohm. So CB dash C will be 3 into 10 power minus 3. If you calculate this one, the C equivalent will be 253 pico farad. Therefore FH can be written as 1 by 2 pi R equivalent into C equivalent. So if you substitute R equivalent value and C equivalent value, the value will be 3.77 mega hertz. And here in the question he has also mentioned that we have to find the voltage gain. The formula for voltage gain of this value at the required frequency will be minus GM into RL. So GM has already given 50 into 10 power minus 3 into RL value is 1 kilo ohm. So if you calculate, the gain will be minus 50. So if you take modulus, the gain will be positive. So this is the required gain of the transistor.